Put him in that white tub.
There you go. Put him right inside there.
You're gonna drown him, Jane.
Put him in that white tub, Jaden. Fill it with water. Oh, he got out. He got refreshed a little bit now. Ready to go let him go?
Let's let him go, sweetie, before you kill him. Okay?
Okay.
Good job.
Jane, don't shove it. Okay, come on, let's go let him go.
We'll catch him again later. Let's go let him go.
He was fucking doing that.
I'm sure he was.
Probably let him go for that pontoon boat so you can get good and wet. You watch him swim that way.